Imagine two paths. One path is wide and easy to walk down. It's full of distractions and temptations, always promising quick rewards, but never delivering lasting satisfaction. This is the path of instant gratification, chasing fleeting pleasures, always wanting more, and never really feeling fulfilled. The other path is narrow and challenging. It requires effort, discipline, and sometimes feels like you're climbing uphill. It's the path of long-term goals, building meaningful relationships, and finding your purpose. It's about delayed gratification, putting in the work now for a better future. The easy path is tempting. Sure, who wants to struggle when you can have it all now? But the truth is, the easy path often leads to a dead end. You end up feeling empty and lost, always chasing something you can never truly grasp. The challenging path, on the other hand, may be tough, but it leads to a life of true fulfillment. It's about building something meaningful, something that lasts. It's about growing as a person and finding your place in the world. So, which path will you choose? The path of fleeting pleasures or the path of lasting fulfillment? It's your choice.